Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you don't know what I do makeup tutorials. I don't know if I'm any good at it. I think the part I'm worst at is editing and lighting. But this is the look I came up with today. I call it my goth girlfriend look because it's not really goth. It's like goth. It's pretend goth. It's like goth but I don't want to be made fun of type of goth. And my inspiration for this look was me when I was 13, but better. So if I can, I'll insert a picture here. And yeah, to see how I did that, then just keep watching. Before I get into that, I want to plug my Instagram, which will be in the description and also at the end of the video. And I also want to plug my best friend Xavier because his music is heavily featured throughout this video, and his YouTube channel will be linked below. Okay, yeah. So the one thing I want to get out of the way before I do the thing, these are definitely extensions. My hair's like this long. I just wanted the look to be a bit more. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and prime my eyes off camera, and then I'll be back to tell you what I'm gonna do. Alright, let's try this again. I've tried recording this, but the first time I just wasn't saying my words right, and then the second time I wasn't even recording. So we are here now, and I'm just gonna get into it. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This isn't the remastered one. I'm sorry, I'm a basic bitch, and I'm gonna use the original one. Also, I'm poor. My inspiration for this look is basically me when I was 13. If I can, I'll insert pictures. I don't know how this look's gonna turn out. I just am hoping it turns out good. My goal is like not goth, but you know, goth GF aesthetic. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with Shy, which is this color, and I'm gonna use that as sort of a transition shade maybe, except I don't know, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna pack it in my crease and we'll see what happens. So this is what we have. I don't know if you can see it that well because I'm still working on my whole lighting situation, but when you're satisfied with the blending of that, go in with, I'm gonna do henna, which is that color, and I'm just gonna put it in the same place that I put the other one, and I guess do that to it, and I guess do that till you're satisfied.
I know I messed it up again. I can't get out of my own head. Just try to pick.
Okay, so this is what we have now. It's basically just the same thing, but like slightly darker. I don't know. And then to make it a little more red, I'm gonna go in with Maneater, which is this red one, and I'm gonna put it in the same place. The other shades were just to make that one shade blend better, so.
Picture perfect world where I can't hurt nobody, but I over it.
So, am I out of focus? A little bit. I'm gonna darken that just a little bit more. So I'm gonna mix Bossy and Cocoa together. They're pretty much the same color, and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use, so I'm using both. I'm gonna put it in the same place, and yeah.
Made my will by promising this time I will be different. And
okay, and now for the scary part. And it's scary to me because I am very, very, very afraid of black eyeshadow because my scene phase was a little wild. I also need to tie my hair back. That works. Okay. Hi. Focus, please. So I'm gonna go in with like a gel eyeliner, and this is experimental. I hope I don't mess it up with this angled brush that already has eyeliner on it. That's not gonna focus. Of course it's not. I'm gonna kind of like almost cut the crease with this, but I don't know. I guess just watch and see what I decide.
Not fall into the life that I am used to, but I know I can't continue to just hurt the ones just give me one more chance to prove that I can do some good.
Texted the chief, asked if this was it, and he said no. It's okay. We're gonna put some black eyeshadow over that. I just needed that to be the look. I don't know. Also, I don't know if you saw it, but I sort of blended it up into my crease where the red colors are. Oh, that looks kind of gross. It's fine. Well, I can't find the brush I'm gonna use, so I'll go back to that, but I'm just gonna go in with black truffle and basically do the same thing, except try to bring it higher up. I don't know. So my camera stopped recording, but what I did is I just basically put black like all over my lid. This eye looks kind of messed up. It's a good thing I have bangs. So I just put it all over my lid and then blended it up into the crease with this brush that I used to apply the other colors before. I wish this eye didn't look so whack, but there comes a point when you continuing blending just makes it look worse, so I'm gonna stop. So what I'm gonna do next is, I guess, eyeliner, and I'm that bitch who has to use tape for her eyeliner, so I'm sorry, I'll be back.
I'm sorry that all of this happened. It's a habit. You don't have no more trust for me. I'm hit with my reality. I'm sorry, but I just can't help it. It's a habit.
Alright, so now that we have some uneven eyeliner wings, we're gonna put on some mascara. So I don't think I need to show you guys how to do mascara, so I'm just gonna come back when that's done. Alright, so the only other thing I did besides mascara was put some eyeliner in my waterline, and now I'm gonna do eyelashes because I feel like this is a look that maybe needs eyelashes.
It's a habit. I wake up and it's 2 p.m. I open up my phone and I get 1,000 texts from you, angry because of what I do. All of the trust that we had shared was now broken beyond repair. I take the blame because I know that I was wrong and that was low. I can't make any more excuses for what I know I'm done. Just give me one more chance to prove that I can do.
Alright, so all I did after putting on lashes was just fix the eyeliner up top and put on mascara again. These eyelashes look crazy. Like, I can see them when I'm looking forward, and they go up to my eyebrows. So I don't wear eyelashes often, so the ones I used are these like really cheap eyelashes from Amazon. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to smoke out that lower lash line. I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line, and to do that, I'm going to go in with henna first, which is that one, and then I'm going to go in with man-eater after, just to darken it up. So I'm pretty sure it stopped recording in the middle of me doing that. I got mascara like smudged under there, but all I did after doing exactly what I told you I was gonna do, I just did some bottom mascara. And now I don't normally wear foundation, but I'm just gonna go for it in this one right after I do my lips, actually. So to do my lips, I'm just gonna basically cover them in the black eyeliner and then put red lipstick over it. So
Some good feel. Sorry that it's a habit. You don't have no more choice in me. I'm living my reality. I'm sorry, but I just can't help it. It's a
I'm back and I'm wearing lipstick. I never wear lipstick, so it feels really gross. I'm gonna put some foundation on. I'm not gonna go into what foundations I use because there's just some random thing from AliExpress, so that's what I'm gonna use, and then I'll get into contour and all that. Yeah, sound good?
it up again. I can't get out of my own head. Just try to picture a perfect world where I can't hurt nobody. But I overestimate my will by promising this time I will be different and not fall into the life that I am used to. But I know I can't continue to just hurt the ones.
Alright, well, I can't find the thing that I was going to use for contour, so instead, I'm really upset that I didn't find that though, because that blends really well. So I'm just gonna go in with this cheap little waxy concealer palette. Oh, I'm not gonna go in with this one because it's missing that color. What? Okay, I guess I'm gonna find something else then. Cool. This one is covered in hair dye, so you know we want to use that. I'm staining the heck out of my fingers too. They're turning red. Ugh. Anyway, this is the same thing as the other one, just not missing the shade. I'm gonna go in with that one probably, just to make it like a dramatic look. And I guess I'm gonna use my finger for that and just like put it in the hollows of your face, like your cheekbones. If you're insecure about that double chin, maybe do your jawline area, like up here, and then your nose. You'll see.
Just give me one more chance to prove that I can do some good for you. I'm sorry that all of this happened. It's a habit. You don't have no more choice for me. I'm hit with my reality. I'm sorry, but I just can't help it. It's a habit.
And yeah, so this is the look, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair or my bangs, but you know, I don't hate it at this point. I wish this would stay, but it's fine. Yeah, time for a montage, I guess.
Just